This video is for our Module 4 race response. So remember, our RACE stands for restating the question, answering the question, citing our evidence, and explaining. Oh, perfect. 4 fingers for our 4 things we need to do. So this one says that 600 people attended the football game. 1/4 or 0.25 of those people cheered for the away team. And then 1/5 or 0.2 of those people ordered nachos. How many people cheered for the away team? Sorry, I have children over there. How many people cheered for the away team and ordered nachos? Use a race response to answer the question. So first I've got to figure out the question, the answer, and then I'll use that race response to answer that question. So I have 600 people at the football game. That is my total. And I have 1/4 of those people. So I am going to multiply 600 by 0.25. Or the opposite of multiply is to cut it into 4 pieces, right? I want 1/4 of 600. So I can either times by 0.25 or I can divide by 4. So in this case, usually I do like to multiply better, but timesing by 0.25, I think it might actually be quicker to divide by 4. So I'm going to divide this into 4 groups. And so 4 goes into 6 one time, which is 4. We get 2 left over. 4 goes into 25 times, exactly 20. And it goes into 0, 0 times. Now don't forget that 0. Every time something goes down, something has to go up. So 1/4 of the people is 150 people. So there were 150 people, or 0.25, 25% of the people cheering for the away team. Does that make sense, right? 1/4 of the people, 150, right? Half of that. Half of 600 is 300. Half of 300, 150. That's 1/4 of it. So 150 people cheered for the away team. Now, of those people, of these people, 1/5 of these people, or 0.2 of these people. So I can either divide this by 5 or times it by 0.2, right? Of means 0.2. This time I'm going to choose to multiply by 2. 2 is pretty easy to multiply by. That's a very terrible decimal. So there is 0 and 0 again, or 10, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 decimal place is 30. So my answer is that 30 people ordered nachos and cheered for the away team. So now I need to use my race response to answer that question. So I'm going to open up a new page here. So my response is, so R, restate the question. So there were 30 people that cheered for the away team and ordered nachos. So I restated, what did it ask for, who cheered for the away team and ordered nachos, and I answered the question all in one. So here's my answer and my restated question. So R and A are done. So now C is going to stand for my citing my evidence. So what words in here helped me know what I needed to do? The key word of helped me know to multiply or divide by the denominator, right? So I couldn't just divide here. So I knew I needed a smaller number, but I can't just divide by 25. I needed to divide by either 4 or times here. So that word of, there's my citing, my evidence of what did I need to do. And then I would attach a picture of my work here. So I will get a copy of my work and copy and paste. Now what I want to do is go back, make sure here is my R, restate the question. So there were blank people that cheered for the away team and ordered nachos. Answer, 30 people. Citing my evidence or my keywords, the keyword of helps me know to multiply or divide by the denominator. I feel like I could also add on, I had to do this 2 times. Let me get my work out of the way here. So I feel like I could have a little better statement here. So right, I couldn't just do it once. I had to do this 2 times. Once for the people on the away team and then for the nachos. All right, so we had to find the people that were for the away team, and then of the people that were for the away team, how many of those people ordered nachos. So it was a 2-step process. So here is my work to show that. So R-A-C-E. And I definitely have a little monster yelling in the background. Hey, little monster, Jude, come here. Hey, come here. Do you want to come say hi? To my class, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Wave. Do you want to say hi, Hayes?
Hi.
And now you know who was yelling in the background of my video the whole time. Okay, go ahead and get your race response done.